Welcome to our channel.
And today we are going to be sharing with you guys our love story.
So I know that this has been a much awaited video. People have been requesting for this ever since the time we put up the proposal post. And it's finally here.
So by the time you guys are watching this video, it means that we have hit 100k subscribers, which is a huge milestone. We want to thank everyone who has subscribed to our channel, and we really hope that we continue to share with you guys content that you will actually like, and it's up to the mark. I'm very excited for the future of this channel. We have some amazing plans and amazing videos in store for you guys. Yeah, let's get started with today's video.
And it's going to be a very long one.
Oh yeah, so please do grab a snack, grab something to drink, and yeah, having said all of that, let's get started.
So शुरू करते हैं बहुत सालों पहले.
So basically, we've sat down and written everything down so that we can explain it to you guys.
Hopefully everything.
Hopefully everything. We think we've covered everything in detail. Relevant details. So I want you to begin with how we've met. A lot of people know how we've met, but of course वहाँ से शुरू करना बहुत important है.
Okay. So this story starts in 2009 when Mridul joined our school. She joined in the 7th grade and she had just come back from the US.
So I feel like यहाँ तक सबको story पता है कि मेरा accent था, US का accent था, so funny, ha ha ha. Everyone used to make fun of me. I was the new girl in school. But on the first day of my first day in school, I saw Aditya. I saw him. He was playing hand cricket with all of his friends, and I remember him wearing a white shirt. And ये बहुत cringe होने वाला है, but I feel like I have to say it. I instantly liked him. Or you can say love at first sight is what they call it. I don't know. It's very cringe. I hate saying it out loud, but I immediately had an infatuation, had a crush on him. And I thought he wasn't actually like conventionally cute at
Yeah.
There'll be pictures throughout the video.
7th grade नहीं डाल रहा मैं.
नहीं, सब pictures डालेंगे हम so that you can imagine for yourself. So but I don't know, it was the energy or it was the aura or it was your personality. I don't know what it was.
Or all three of them.
Yeah, sure. There was just something that made me really drawn to him, but nothing really happened.
Because it was love at first sight for her. For me, I was just like, okay, new girl, cute hai. Bas, that is it. Nothing about that.
Yeah. So 2009 में कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. We were in school. 7th grade happened as it happened. I personally am not the type of person to pursue someone is what I figured. So if मेरे दिमाग में वो clear था कि if Aditya comes to me and wants to talk to me, then something can happen. मैं कभी भी सामने से जाके किसी को approach नहीं करने वाली हूँ.
और मैं भी सामने से जाके किसी से बात नहीं करता इतना.
Oh, what lies! What lies!
मतलब ऐसा ठीक है जान.
Please don't contradict yourself. Moving on to 2010.
So in 2010, same thing. We went in the 8th grade. Normal school continued. We were just normal friends बोल सकते हैं.
Yeah.
Classmates वैसा vibe था. Nothing special happened.
Yeah, so we were just like classmates. We weren't even like good friends. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. I remember actually one thing, just something popped up. I remember we were in 8th standard and you were sitting on the second last bench.
Yeah,
and I was sitting in front of you. And obviously वो time पे teachers like seat कराती थी, right? You can't just like sit wherever you want to sit. So I was very excited that I got seated in front of you. I remember that. But again, nothing really happened. Because Aditya को पढ़ाई में और cricket के आगे और कुछ था नहीं. So nothing really happened in 2010 as well. Now moving on to 2011.
So end of the school year, we had a school picnic, like a camp.
Yeah.
I don't remember where it went, but it was a good camp. We had fun, and that is where I think we started bonding.
So ये थोड़ा सा मेरे part पे kind of strategy था. So Aditya's school best friend was a really good friend of mine, just organically to be very honest. Even 7th standard 8th standard दोनों साल में हम बहुत अच्छे दोस्त थे. वो मेरा मुंह बोला भाई भी था, मैं उसको राखी भी बांधती थी. And that way I just thought कि oh my god, yeah, मतलब ये लोग दोनों best friends है. I was like, if I already am friends with him, let me figure out a way to become friends with Aditya. So during camp, we spent a lot of time together. There were lots of activities that we did together, like activities as in like school की
स्कूल का रैप वगैरह कराते थे, हॉर्स राइडिंग वो सब.
करेक्ट. सो वो सब हम लोग ने टाइम स्पेंड किया. उसके बाद कैंप खत्म हुआ, एवरीथिंग वाज फाइन. एक्चुअली ऑनेस्टली कैंप में बहुत कुछ हुआ. दैट इज अ सेपरेट स्टोरी, नॉट रिलेटेड टू अस, बट देयर वाज सो मच. Our school politics and the people in our class, there was so much that happened. My phone got stolen by one of my classmates just to make fun of me. They made me cry for 2 hours. That's a different story in itself. बहुत drama हुआ in general school में. But whatever, after camp got over, we continued chatting with each other.
Summer vacation चालू हो गया, and throughout the vacation we were constantly talking to each other.
Correct.
But normal SMS, Facebook वहाँ पे, because अभी WhatsApp नहीं था.
Then we resumed school. Once we've resumed school, we are still continuing to chat. Oh, by the way, ये chatting थोड़ा फ्लर्टिंग था, बट बहुत कम. लाइक टाइम पास, स्कूल टाइम पास, मतलब कुछ सीरियस नहीं हो रहा था, सिर्फ फन था. और मुझे ऑब्वियसली आई वाज
मोर ऑफ अ बॉन्डिंग देन अ फ्लर्टिंग.
या वी एक्चुअली करेक्ट, वी वर गेटिंग टू नो ईच अदर. ऑब्वियसली इट वाज वेरी एक्साइटिंग फॉर मी बिकॉज आई स्टिल liked him at that time. I don't think आदित्य के साइड से उतना कुछ था. It was just like time pass for him.
Not time pass, मतलब अभी अच्छा लग रहा है यार. I can make a good friend. तो ऐसा टाइप था मेरा
फ्रेंड के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से तो मुझे टेक्स्ट कर रहा था.
मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू तो थोड़ा फ्रेंड जैसा ही था.
ठीक है, व्हाटएवर. स्कूल शुरू होता है एंड वन फाइन डे we decide to talk about a topic where I asked Aditya, or I don't know if he asked me, whatever. I asked Aditya, who are your current crushes or something like that.
Yeah.
Who do you like from school? ऐसा लिस्ट बता, तू बता, मैं भी बताऊंगी, ऐसा कुछ. तो बच्चे टाइप टॉक्स हुए थे हमारे.
So I told Mridul that that's fine, but you have to tell me yours first and then I'll tell you mine.
Correct.
And then बेचारी भोली लड़की ने
मैंने उसको लिस्ट दिया,
पूरा लिस्ट दे दिया.
3 part 4 part लिस्ट दिया मैंने उसको कि ये क्यूट है, ये क्यूट है.
बट मेरा नाम नहीं था उसमें.
Obviously I'm not going to tell you that, right? So मैंने वो पूरा लिस्ट दिया and then एकदम innocently I was like, okay, this is my list, what about you? And then he has the audacity,
बड़ा मजा आया.
He has the audacity to say कि मैं नहीं बताऊंगा. And I was like कि ठीक है, you're kidding, right? Like ठीक है, बता दे, हाँ funny 2 minutes के लिए जोक था ये. But he actually didn't tell me. And it was betrayal. And I was like कि I am over it. मतलब मेरा वो क्रॉस हो गया, मतलब you know.
चिढ़ गए, क्या चिढ़ गए?
मैं चिढ़ गई and then from that point I started ignoring Aditya.
Yes.
Like he was thin air. Like even in school when I would see him, I would look past him. I wouldn't talk to him.
For the whole year.
For 1 full year.
But I was okay with it.
फिर 2012 में मैंने ज्वाइन किया महेश ट्यूटोरियल्स. Comment down below if you used to go to Mahesh tutorials. I know it used to be a big thing when we were younger. I don't think as much people.
Idea ही नहीं है.
हाँ, हमें पता नहीं actually. I know. It used to be really, really popular.
So she joined Mahesh tutorials, and quite a lot of our classmates were in the same batch, and
almost our
whole class. Yeah. So after she joined Mahesh, I think that's when a little bit of feelings started to develop from my end.
हृदय परिवर्तन.
Kind of हृदय परिवर्तन बोल सकते हैं. Because she used to look very cute when she used to come to Mahesh. और normally the school में जब देखते तो it's a school uniform, तो उसमें कुछ इतना ये नहीं है. But महेश में you could see a different version of her.
Yeah.
तो तभी I think थोड़ा मेरे तरफ से feelings चालू हुआ.
I mean बचपन से I really enjoyed like dressing up and getting ready. So I used to like full fashionista बन के मैं इसको महेश tutorials जाती थी. So तब फिर I think you only must have messaged me or
फिर अभी ऐसा अच्छा लग रहा है और फिर तो सब थोड़ा फिर माफी मांग के बाद रिज्यूम कर दिया.
Correct. Then we started chatting again. Now we used to talk on SMS, on Facebook. There were days when we would talk till 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock AM. And I also remember a lot of times Aditya would buy me a 35 rupees ka SMS pack.
350 SMS in 35 rupees.
Comment down below if you're our age, you know exactly what we're talking about. If you're a Gen Z, you probably have no idea. वो time पे WhatsApp नहीं होता था.
So SMS was the only way of communication.
Correct.
And you used to have to go to the mobile recharge stores, buy that pack, scratch it, and then SMS that number, the code, and then you would get the 350 SMS
for 1 month.
Yeah,
by the way, I would pay him the 35 rupees back.
But basically we used to talk quite a lot.
And because of us talking so much and being stuck to our phones, what happened?
So because I used to spend a lot of time on Facebook, half the time chatting, but half the time playing games and all of the time pass. So my mom, one fine day, I don't know where she got this idea or what.
Motherly instincts.
Yeah, motherly instinct or whatever. She just asked me, तेरा कुछ चालू है ना मृदुल के साथ ऐसा कुछ तो. I was like, नहीं, because genuinely तभी कुछ चालू नहीं था. But obviously we used to just talk. Like कि नहीं मेरे को पता है वगैरह. And I'm like there's nothing as such going on. We just talk. We're just friends, classmates है, आते जाते साथ में वगैरह. उतना ही बात चालू था. So that was a very tricky thing for me. I was like मम्मी को कैसे मालूम पड़ा है? Because moms know everything.
Yeah.
But तभी के लिए it was a big question for me. How did my mom know about this?
Correct. And coincidentally, parallelly,
Yeah.
my mom also got that instinct and my mom decided to check my phone. और वो टाइम पे फोन पे पासवर्ड्स नहीं होते थे, कुछ भी नहीं होता था. आई रिमेम्बर मुझे एक दिन पीरियड्स आए थे और मैं सो गई थी, मुझे बहुत दर्द हो रहा था एंड मैं सोई और मैं नींद से उठी एंड आई जस्ट हैड अ गट फीलिंग कि कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. मैं नींद से उठी एंड आई एम लाइक वेयर इज माय फोन, where's my phone? And then I run to the living room and my mom is looking at me with so much anger, disgust,
Even though there was
shame.
nothing of that sort in
हाँ,
that.
ऐसा
It
कुछ
was
नहीं
just
था,
normal,
but
थोड़ा बहुत flirty.
We were flirting with
Yeah.
each other, ठीक है, but ऐसा कुछ dirty नहीं था. But my mom was pissed and she was like, oh my god, you're talking to a boy, XYZ, I'm gonna tell your dad. And I was like, oh my god, I was so scared at that
And
time.
she just messaged me that my mom read all our chats. So I think we are screwed or something like that.
हाँ, she's gonna tell my dad.
Yeah, that is it. And after that she disappeared for hours.
और तुझे कब तब क्या लगा?
भाई धक धक मैं बोल रहा है कुछ है ही नहीं ऐसा जितना अभी तक और तो भी.
करेक्ट. सो वो हुआ. फिर मेरे डैड आते हैं रात को. मेरी मॉम मेरे डैड को सब बोलती है एंड अभी एंटी क्लाइमैटिक एंडिंग. मेरे डैड से किसमें क्या हुआ? ठीक है ये एज है करने का, करने दे. तुझे क्या करना है करने दे उसको. बाद बॉयफ्रेंड भी उसको बनाना है बनाने दे. एंड आई वाज लाइक दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन इनटू अंडरस्टैंडिंग हाउ चिल माय डैड इज. सो मतलब इट वर्कड आउट फॉर मी पर्सनली. Whatever, ये सब पूरा फैमिली ड्रामा अनफोल्ड हुआ.
But in 2012 this was like a big thing.
Of course, we were.
Big thing.
How old were we at that point? 15, 16.
16.
I must be 15, you must be 16, something like
almost.
that. Whatever. So all of that continued. कुछ हुआ नहीं, तो we continued to talk to each other, and then we kind of started to develop feelings
yeah.
for each other almost.
Yeah. Cut to my birthday. It was the vacation time. My birthday
4th May.
Yeah, my birthday is on 4th May, so it's a vacation time. But 10th का classes था, तो
Correct.
कुछ vacation जैसा चीज था नहीं. So मेरे birthday के लिए we planned to go for the movie Avengers, like a birthday treat from me to all my classmates. And that was, I think, the first time.
It was our first
We hung
date.
out,
Like we
like the
had
first
decided कि हम फर्स्ट
बाजू
डेट
में
पे
बैठेंगे.
जाएंगे सब. हाँ, पूरी 10 लोग साथ में बैठे हैं, बट ये हमारा फर्स्ट डेट था.
तभी के इसमें ऐसे ही होता था.
करेक्ट.
बट उसमें डेट क्या था कि we'll sit together in the movie theater.
या
बस उसमें कुछ और हुआ नहीं.
कुछ नहीं था. हम whatever, बहुत क्यूट था. फिर हम लोग घर जाके डिस्कस करते थे कि आई लाइक यू whatever, वो सब कंटिन्यू. एंड देन कट टू 21st May 2012. सेम लाइक कितने दिन हुए कि हाउ मेनी डेज का गैप हुआ? 17-18 डेज का गैप हुआ. बर्थडे के बाद आदित्य फाइनली प्रपोजेस टू मी, विल यू बी माई गर्लफ्रेंड? एंड ही डिड इट इन अ रिक्शा. He got down on his knee and because actually कहाँ करता है, to be honest, कहाँ पे करेगा? मॉल में नहीं कर सकता, सब देखेंगे. कॉलेज में नहीं, आई मीन स्कूल में नहीं कर सकता, क्लासेस में नहीं कर सकता,
कहाँ पे करेगा?
तो रिक्शा में किया सर ने.
एंड सिर्फ ऐसा प्रपोज नहीं किया मैंने, अभी भी अच्छा रिंग दिया है. वैसे तभी भी मैंने आर्चीज करके वो गिफ्ट स्टोर जो है वहां से मैंने रिंग बाय किया था. फेक रिंग ऑब्वियसली, बट रिंग था तभी भी मेरे पास.
आई स्टिल हैव दैट रिंग बाय द वे. It doesn't fit me, that's a different thing, but
I didn't have a size तभी. अभी कैसे प्रेप टाइम मिला ना मेरे को, तो मैं सब अच्छे से कर सका. तभी इतना था नहीं.
Correct. And guys, by the way, with the ring, he also gave me this huge card. मतलब I can't even explain. Literally इतना बड़ा card.
तभी वो आता था अच्छा, मतलब कॉम्बो में अच्छा मिला मुझे डील.
मतलब ऐसे खोल के उसमें से पॉप अप होता था और उसके साथ उतना बड़ा एनवेलप भी था. I still have that card. I'm sure I've not thrown it. I have it with me. I'll show it to guys at some point. Maybe हम shifting करेंगे तब वो सब खुलेगा, मैं दिखाती हूँ आपको तभी. But इसमें एक और बैक स्टोरी है. स्टोरी के अंदर इतनी स्टोरीज है, अगर हम बताने जाएंगे
तो 11.5 years का बात है, स्टोरीज तो होने ही वाली है.
So I remember summer vacation था, as Aditya mentioned. So I had to go back home to my cousins. So all of my cousins had come home to stay at my place. And I think you guys might know Kashish. Kashish is my cousin's sister, who is also now my really close, like best friend, you could say. But that time we did not like each other. We almost hated each other at that point. And somehow I managed to sneak the card in without her seeing it.
Talent.
Somehow. But within a day or two, she figured it out. I don't know how. She was probably snooping through my things. मेरे बेड मैट्रेस के नीचे मैंने रखा था उसको. एंड मैम ने मैट्रेस के नीचे से वो कार्ड को निकाल के पूरी फैमिली को दिखा दिया है. कुछ हुआ नहीं ऑनेस्टली, बिकॉज माई फैमिली इज लाइक वेरी
थैंकफुली फैमिली इज
चिल.
अदरवाइज बहुत बड़ा
सीन हो सकता था. बट आई वाज लिविड, आई वाज पेस्ड
ऑब्वियसली.
Anyway, continuing with the story. So, breaking it to you guys, if you've done the math already, at this point, we have been dating for 11 and a half years.
Woo! Big reveal.
We've been dating each other since we were 16, 15. I was 15 at that time because मेरा birthday नहीं आया था वो year में. You were 16.
I was 15. You were 14.
Oh yeah, I was 14. Aditya was 15. Whatever. We've been dating for more than a decade at this point.
So the year we started dating was our 10th का year.
Standard.
Board exams वाला year. Very nice year to start dating, by the way. But yeah, basically the year was very stressful and we tried to manage as best as we could. Obviously fights होते थे because of the stress factor.
No, and also I feel like when you're not, like when you're just beginning to date,
Yeah.
or when you're before you started dating, it's always like rosy and it's
Yeah,
fun.
puppy
and,
love kind of.
Yeah, उसके बाद थोड़ा सा reality hit होता है almost, and I feel like that is when we started like clashing and
Because of the boards का pressure also.
of course,
on that.
given. But in general also both of us are very different
Yeah.
people, emotionally, mentally, everything. Like our views in life
Totally opposite.
opposite, except our like our values.
Core
values वो same है. इसके लिए I feel like we've managed to kind of stick through.
Yeah.
But other than that, we don't agree on anything.
And once we started dating, we got to know this about each other. So, और भी मतलब I do it this way and you do it that way. उस पे झगड़ा.
Correct. सब चीज पे हमारा बहुत झगड़ा होता था. But we would like to give credit to a very special person.
Yeah.
In 10th standard, I had a best friend who actually continued to be a really good friend of mine till I was in college. Unfortunately, we're not really. I mean, we're friends. We're friends on like social media, but कुछ हुआ नहीं, by the way. No like gossip
just
drama.
went separate ways.
Went separate ways. Had different things to do in life. But when we were in school, she was the reason why we
stuck
stayed together. I
Yeah.
feel like if she was not in our life, we probably would have broken
Maybe.
up. There's a good chance that we might not be what we are right now if it wasn't for her.
Yeah, she was very good. She was a great counselor. She used to counsel both of us, and you
Literally,
can say,
she used to counsel us,
Yeah.
guys. Like, we're not using the word lightly.
Not at all.
Individually, वो आदित्य को जाके
Proper.
चीजें समझाएगी, and she would always have such good things.
a different
like,
perspective.
yeah, like she was so good. And then the same thing she would do with me. And the beautiful
right now,
thing.
Yeah. So she is a founder of a mental health counseling agency.
She's a psychologist.
Yeah.
She's become a counselor now,
It's
which
like
is
a full circle moment.
full circle moment, and she's so good at
she's
it.
great at it.
And the first thing in her like counseling career that she did was
First
clients
First
maybe
clients for her.
for us, and I would say it was a successful
counseling
experience for her. 2013 स्कूल खत्म हो गया, हमारा फेयरवेल हुआ, हमारे बोर्ड के मार्क्स आए. आदित्य सर को 89% आए, मुझे 86% आए. तो हाँ, बेचारे का 1% से 90% रह गया. It's very sad. It still hurts him till this date. बट हमारे अफेयर से हमारे मार्क्स इतने अफेक्ट नहीं हुए.
उसका कुछ इतना नहीं.
हाँ,
Because पढ़ाई के टाइम पे you अपने अपने रास्ते में अपना पढ़ाई करो. उसका we never clashed on that.
Yeah. After like that gap when we were about to start college and we were done with school, there was a little samasya in our lives.
Yeah.
That I not I actually, my parents really wanted me to go out of India, Australia specifically. I remember I was supposed to take some exam and they
GMAT ना I think.
पता नहीं, मुझे नहीं याद है. I was supposed to go to Australia to study and full मेरे parents ने full तैयारी कर ली थी कि यहाँ जाना है, ये फॉर्म्स भी घर पे आ गए थे. मुझे पूछा भी नहीं कि जाना है नहीं जाना है, कुछ भी नहीं. They came to me and they presented this to me and I was actually kind of excited to be honest because जब मैं US से आई थी 7th स्टैंडर्ड में, मेरा हमेशा से प्लान यही था कि मैं स्कूल खत्म करके मैं फट से 12th के बाद या 10th के बाद I'll go out of India, US preferably. So that was always a part of my plan. And that's what my parents assumed because that was always the part of the plan. But
not because of me, huh?
No, I'm coming to that. But there was Aditya in my life at that point and I didn't want to leave him. That's on me, obviously. So I came to him.
I never told her anything. Huh? Don't come at me in the comments.
Yeah. No, of course not. I came to you. I told you कि ऐसा है and Aditya's like कि
whatever your choice.
तेरी मर्जी. But he was like कि तुझे जाना है तू जा, but मैं long distance नहीं करने वाला हूँ.
I'm very clear on that.
Break up.
Yeah. You can break up and go. It's not an issue for me. There's no hard feelings or anything.
Yeah.
It's your choice if you want to go. But I can't do long distance personally. मुझे मालूम है मुझसे नहीं होने वाला है.
Correct.
So it's better not to have that stress and then fights and all of that. मुझे नहीं चाहिए था.
Correct. End में ये हुआ कि I also actually didn't have to take a decision because मेरे पेरेंट्स को कहीं से पता चला कि 10th के बाद नहीं भेजना चाहिए, 12th के बाद भेज. सो इट वॉज अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर 2 years लेटर. सो एनीवे कैंसिल हो गया मेरा आउट ऑफ इंडिया जाने का. हम दोनों कॉलेज में, हम दोनों का एक्चुअली बहुत मन था कि हम दोनों सेम कॉलेज में जाए, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली माई मार्क्स weren't as good as his, so I couldn't cut off में I couldn't make it to his college, which was Ruya College. I ended up going to Sophia College, which obviously in hindsight I think everything just worked out really well.
So in the 11th grade it was pretty normal. It was like a college experience that both of us were having because it was a new experience for both of us. We could not spend as much time together as we used to in school or classes because we were practically together the whole day that time. In school. But in college both of us took a little bit of time to ourselves because of the new experiences that we were having.
Correct. We weren't broken up. We were
Not
still very much together.
Yeah.
रात को जाके, so I feel like ये एक चीज constant रही है कि हम में एक दूसरे से हमारी बातें खत्म ही नहीं होती है. And touchwood अभी तक भी वो ऐसा ही है. touchwood. So वीक में हम 2 बार मिलते थे, बट रातों रात हम बातें लंबी करते थे. बट ओवरऑल लाइक वेरी बेसिक कॉलेज dating experience, chill vibes था. कभी भी I feel like that was a really good thing that there was jealousy or like different people was not really an issue for us because first of all I was in a girls college. तो मेरे लिए boys तो कोई थे ही नहीं मेरे life में other than Aditya and his friends. And also I in general I am not that like insecure any which ways. Aditya had a lot of female friends.
So overall we just spent the 11th grade doing our own stuff and meeting beach.
Nothing monumental as such to be discussed. फिर आया 2014. I feel like 2014 से is where our life kind of started changing for the better, of course. In 2014 I started my blog, which by the way it's still up.
Yes.
The original one. उसके बाद एक proper मैंने website बनाया था जो available नहीं है अभी anymore, but जो OG like first मेरा blogspot blog is still live. I'll leave a link in case you guys want to check it out. But the reason why I say why my blog, starting my blog is relevant is because initially I had a friend who would click my pictures, then my mom would click my pictures, but मेरी मम्मी के साथ मेरे बहुत झगड़े होने लग गए because of clicking pictures.
I understand that now.
Then came in Aditya. So I was like, चल आदित्य तू मेरे फोटोज ले. So आदित्य
मतलब I only pitched
yeah it was him who was like कि मैं लेती हूँ, मैं तुझे हेल्प करता हूँ कॉलेज के बाद.
Basic camera handling मुझे आता है, so if you want I can help you take
and
photos.
Also he was so sweet. He would he would scroll on YouTube, learn what was aperture, what is frame, whatever यार वही मतलब people get it. So whatever, he would like figure out how to work the settings of a camera and he would take my pictures. And now obviously I understand he wanted to do that because he wanted to spend more time with me. We ended up spending a lot of time together doing work. Obviously at that time it was paying no money, but it was
basically, see, for me, if you ask me, my perspective was that you are doing something that you like, it's something that's giving you joy. I was like, ठीक है, I have the time, I'm free, तो कर सकते हैं. बट विद दैट ऑल्सो आई वुड ऐड कि 12th का ईयर था, so we were not technically completely free, तो इसमें बीच बीच में मैनेज कर रहे थे, बट 12th का प्रेशर था, बट कम था कंपेरेटिव आई थिंक 10th से.
करेक्ट, मतलब बेसिकली लाइफ कंटिन्यूड एज पर यूजुअल. आई स्टिल कंटिन्यू टू राइट माई ब्लॉग्स.
We still continue to meet 2 to 3 times a week. मूवी जाते थे occasionally. Just basic कॉलेज में
कॉलेज डेटिंग एक्सपीरियंस. फिर आया 2016, which is when
16 was like the best year I think.
which is when
we started YouTube.
yes, so I will again say आदित्य को मैंने इतना कंसल्ट किया था कि मैं करूँ नहीं करूँ यूट्यूब स्टार्ट, बिकॉज ब्लॉग लिखना और फोटो खींचना अलग चीज है और फिर कैमरा के सामने
Video.
बैठ के बात करना, it's a different ball game altogether. Obviously blogging felt more comfortable, it was a easier thing to do at that time, but finally I took the leap. मुझे actually बहुत साल पहले से start करना था YouTube.
I told her कि what's there to lose
Yeah.
at this point. You can definitely start ना, नहीं अच्छा लगा एक साल में बंद कर दे, but at least try. Like there's nothing better to do anyway. First year, second year में क्या ही कितना ही पढ़ाई है. You can obviously manage this. करना चलो, TY तक नहीं हुआ you can switch to something else.
Correct. So I started my YouTube channel, and again we were spending a lot of time together because Aditya was my videographer now. He had upgraded from photographer to videographer.
Promotion.
And I have to add, like this is why like जब YouTube आता है ना, we've literally begun this together. Like you know, literally from the first video he has been along with me, which is why like YouTube का I feel like 50-50 हमारा like you owe 50% like credit to where it is, which is what a lot of people don't see. But anyway, moving on from the emo things. Oh, also another really important thing that happened that year is that I started hanging out with your friends.
Yes.
Who are our friends now. So Jatin, Teef, वो पूरा gang हमने hang out करना start किया वो year में.
All of us had just learned driving.
Yeah.
तो हम लोग just गाड़ी निकालते थे. We used to go around, donuts वगैरह लेके आते थे. We used to get them for her. मतलब I think that was fun.
Cute. Yeah, it was very like young college vibes. Finally, 2017 May, last year of our degree college, I tried to apply in Ruia one last time. It was my one last shot, and guess what? Our dream came true. I somehow, because of my marks previous year के अच्छे marks थे मेरे, I was able to join Ruia College, and finally we could have that 1 year of college experience together. And it was amazing. But it wasn't all rosy.
It was not. I would say that her timing of joining was very good, because 2017 was not a great year for me college wise. If she would not have been there, I would have been completely lonely. There was a lot of internal politics and all of that happened because I was in the student council. So you guys know उसमें बहुत होता है. So technically, because she was there, it was a great support system for me.
Yeah.
And 2017 was bearable, to say the least, in terms of the college experience.
For me personally, 2017, I would truly say, even though we were together since 2012, at this point we had completed 5 years together. And I remember जब हम college में हम किसी को भी बोलते थे कि हम 5 साल से साथ में, सबके like jaws were on the floor. Even now when we tell everyone, everyone's like, oh my god. But at that point, I feel like in 2017, cheesy to say, but I feel like that is when I really fell in love.
You could say that, because it's a different experience going to college together. Spending the day in school and spending the day in college is a very different experience.
Correct. And we had matured, we had grown up together literally at that point. And at that time I was like कि सही है ये बंदा. 5 साल बाद में realize होता है सही है ये बंदा, सही चल रहा है जो चल रहा है वो.
Thanks. Apart from the college, YouTube का तो चालू था. She was continuing to put out videos and everything. It was doing decently well. अच्छा ही चल रहा था.
ऐसा कुछ वायरल नहीं हुआ था, चल रहा था, मैं वीडियो डाल रही थी.
फिर end of the year graduation हुआ, farewell party and all of that happened. And I think 2017 में बस वही था. We move on to 2018.
Now, in 2018 हम दोनों का डिग्री कॉलेज खत्म हो गया है. I decided to ask my parents for a leap year कि मैं 1 साल पढ़ाई नहीं करूंगी, मैं YouTube वीडियोस बनाऊंगी 1 साल. So at that point मुझे थोड़ा सा इनकम आना शुरू हो गया था YouTube से, थोड़ा सा मतलब like barely भी मतलब AdSense I don't think आया था, मे भी आया होगा, I don't know, मतलब बहुत कम, like 10,000 के अंडर मुझे आता था in 1 month. Okay, so obviously that's not enough to convince my parents कि मैं अब छोड़ रही हूँ पढ़ाई. But I was like 1 साल दो मुझे, 1 साल में नहीं चला तो मैं फिर से पढ़ाई करना स्टार्ट कर दूंगी.
10,000 भी ज्यादा बोले, वो एक ही बार आया था, अदरवाइज इट वाज लाइक 4-5,000.
या whatever, मतलब बहुत कम था. And Aditya had joined GLC, which is a
Government
law college.
मैंने लॉ किया for 3 years LLB.
So 2018 was almost like a year of firsts for us.
Can say that, yeah.
हमारा friend group अच्छा खासा बन गया था
In
proper
2016, 2017, 2 years we were hanging out constantly.
So 2018 में we took our first trip together as a
Yeah.
group to Aditya's farmhouse. I feel like if you're an OG, you've seen what Aditya's farmhouse looks like. We're not talking about the Happy Place villas. We're talking about his farmhouse, and it was, oh my god, what a beautiful trip that was.
It was fun. It was very, very cute. All of us spent a lot of time together. We played board games and all.
And we really bonded.
Bonded,
Like
yeah.
everyone bonded. And I know, of course, we're talking about our love story, but I feel like our friends and all of these
They
people
are very important.
to our love
Yeah.
story, because I feel like when I got closer to his friends, he got closer to me.
Can say that.
If
yeah.
that makes any sense.
It does. It does.
It makes you fall in love a little bit more, seeing your partner bond with your friends and
Friends, yeah.
family, if that makes any sense. So yeah, essentially got really close to the friends.
Yeah.
And as I mentioned, it was the year of firsts.
Firsts.
So we went on our first proper trip with our friends. We
Yes.
went to Goa.
Goa.
It's our first ever
For
trip.
2 nights, but it was a cute
It was
trip.
still a trip, and वो vlog मेरे channel पे अभी भी है. Then we also started our first business together in 2018, which is Simba Lifestyle. In case you guys haven't bought our 2024 planner, link is going to be in the description box below. This is our 6th planner.
And it's the best one yet.
It is. We've been doing planners for so many years, and yeah, it's literally our first baby. So we started Simba Lifestyle in 2018, and we also bought our first car
Yes, we
in
did.
that year. Literally the year of firsts. It was so special. बहुत ही crazy था, to be honest.
बहुत crazy
2018 to be
Buying
able
a car
to,
is still crazy. यार.
Yeah.
तभी तो it was
and at that time I was 21, Aditya was 22.
2 महीने से. but
2 महीने
okay.
से whatever. But हाँ, मतलब बहुत अच्छा था 2018 overall.
So cut to 2019. 2019, I think, was a very happening year in terms of career-wise, because YouTube had reached a good point at that time. Maddie had just reached 100K on YouTube, so it was very special for us.
Of course. And also, sorry to cut you, but at that time मेरे parents को पता चल गया था कि YouTube अच्छा चल रहा है उसका, and they were also okay with me doing this now full time. पढ़ाई को bye bye बोल दिया था मैंने, और full time मैं YouTube करने लग गई थी.
Yes. And I think one of the most important things that happened in 2019 was that I told Adu about us.
Yeah,
Like,
Adu is, for context, if you're new on this channel,
My
it's
sister.
Aditya's real sister's name
Elder
is
sister.
Adya. They also have a channel, YouTube channel. It's really fun. I'll link it down below. Continue.
Yeah. So I told her about the relationship that, you know, I'm with Mridul and so. Basically the whole story what you guys are.
सबको थोड़ा idea था ही.
Obviously, वो रहता है. I mean, when you've been dating for 5 to 6 years at that point, तो 7 years almost. तभी
Yeah,
तो.
yeah.
So obviously घर
But
वालों को
आदित्य
idea तो
ने
रहता है.
अच्छा छुपाया था.
मैंने छुपाया था, बट ऑब्वियसली उनको पता था, एंड मुझे भी कहीं पे पता था कि दे नो. अल्टीमेटली उनको भी एक आइडिया है, बट ऑफिशियली ना वो पूछ रहे ना मैं बोल रहा, बट अनऑफिशियली सबको सब पता था.
करेक्ट. सो आदित्य ने आदू को बताया, एंड इट वाज द बेस्ट डिसीजन ऑफ हिज लाइफ, because I found my best friend by him just telling his sister. And I also, that year, we ended up getting our first studio. It was literally a studio. It was not no one bedroom. It was like a one room.
प्रॉपर स्टूडियो शॉप टाइप.
हाँ, मतलब it was a commercial property.
Commercial.
तो एक छोटा सा रूम था उसमें हम सिम्बा लाइफस्टाइल का माल भी रखते थे. लाइक इट वाज आवर
Stock.
वेयरहाउस plus a space for me to shoot videos.
Plus a place for us to chill. We used to chill a lot.
Yeah. We used
All
to,
of us,
Of course, you and me used to chill there a lot.
We used
Our
to
friends
work
used
slash
to
chill, but
yeah.
our friends used to crash there quite a lot.
Yeah, and because all of us were getting closer and closer, we also took our first international trip. It was our first international trip together ever. It was a big deal. I don't even know how we pulled it off at that time. अभी इतने साल बाद हमें एक नॉर्मल गोवा ट्रिप करने में हमारे फ्रेंड्स के साथ मौत आ जाती है.
बिकॉज सब लोग अभी बिजी हो गए.
तभी सब कॉलेज में थे या व्हाटएवर, मतलब relatively
Relatively
busy नहीं
free
थे,
थे.
responsibilities नहीं थी लाइफ में. But anyway, we took our first international trip together. It was a big milestone for our relationship at that point.
And basically telling Adu opened up all these doors for me. Because
100%.
Adu, obviously the elder child knows how to, talk to parents a bit better than the younger one, is what I feel.
But by the way, to clarify, by this point also, Aditya's parents did not know that we were dating officially.
Yeah.
And Adu had also not told your parents.
Adu had not told, but ultimately they all knew.
Yeah, of course. But Aditya ने खुद के मुंह से अभी तक नहीं बोला था. ये याद रखना, ये आगे जाके relevant होगा. Another thing important that happened in 2019 was THP, the Happy Place Villas. So the Happy Place Villas was essentially, you talk about it please.
So the Happy Place Villas is the property that my dad has built in Nagaon, Alibag, and it's a 5-bedroom villa that we give out on rent to customers. And
so that time it was
just getting built, yeah. And the whole thing was left, like the interiors, what to paint, what to do, everything was, it was just like a foundation thing that had just been built. So obviously I talked to Adu and we got her on board because she's really creative and her channel was also doing well. Everyone could see that she's, very aesthetic, very creative, and she loves doing DIYs and all of that. And so Adu introduced basically her in that angle that, she's also got great ideas. And obviously my parents and all knew her because classmate
school mein, मतलब obviously Aditya के parents know me since I was 10-11 years old. So वैसे the family knew me, but I properly got introduced to the family because I was supposed to help design the Happy Place Villas, and there were days when we had gone to Alibag, your parents, me, Adu, everyone stayed together. So I feel like that was kind of
bonding
important
moment,
for them to know me, because by this point Aditya used to come a lot mere ghar pe to shoot and stuff like that. So Aditya, my parents were very familiar with Aditya and they liked him, and वो bonding हो चुका था मेरे side of the family में. अभी आदित्य के side of the family में वो चल रहा था, in process था. Oh, by the way, in case you guys are interested in the Happy Place Villas, if you are ever going to Alibag, you have to check it out. It recently, like literally 10 days ago, got renovated. उसका भी description में हम details छोड़ देंगे.
बहुत सुंदर बनाया है. Definitely go and check it out. I promise you will have a great time.
I agree. And the Happy Place Villas, I feel like does have a lot of relevance to our love story also. It helped me ease into the family almost.
Yeah. Okay. It's our favorite hangout place.
On to 2020. Very, very important year because हमें सबको पता है 2020 में क्या हुआ. But शुरुआत करते हैं from the beginning of 2020.
So 2020 में everything was going well, obviously career wise, and we decided to go for a bigger studio space. And that's when we rented our first 2 BHK apartment. And it was a big thing for us at that time. We started, I think the rent agreement started in March itself.
So in March, we got our rental studio. And guess what happens in March? Lockdown happened on March 18. And
barely within 18 days of us, starting the whole work. We had painted the walls and everything and sab band ho gaya.
18 दिन में दुनिया बंद हो गई, मतलब लॉकडाउन हो गया. So it was the longest time in our lives where we didn't meet each other. We couldn't obviously meet each other for like 4+ months almost.
That was our long distance moment.
So I feel like in lockdown obviously हम क्या ही करते हैं, हमने बहुत सारा वीडियो कॉल किया, हमने बहुत सारा PUBG किया. Obviously we were privileged enough to be able to do all of that in lockdown. That's it to 2020. Honestly, nothing happened in 2020. On to 2021. Now in 2021 दुनिया थोड़ी थोड़ी खुलनी शुरू हो गई थी.
लॉकडाउन थोड़ा ओपन हो गया था. कुछ restrictions थे, but you could move out of your house. And in 2021 another love story, like a big part happened. Mayur Bhai, my Jijaji, proposed to Adu in the beginning of 2021.
Correct.
And that was also like a very important part because
उनका प्रपोजल हुआ तो उनकी शादी होने वाली थी वही सेम ईयर में. तो बिकॉज ऑफ हर गेटिंग मैरिड आई वॉज एनीवे वेरी वेरी क्लोज टू आदू बाय दैट पॉइंट. We had become really, really close by that point. So because I was also a really good friend of hers, I was with her all the time, shopping, picking out sarees, doing all of that. So naturally, I was again very much in close proximity to his parents.
My family, close family, extended family, everyone.
Everyone. I got introduced.
It was unofficially official.
Correct. Everyone knew. But guts Aditya mein itne ki by that point also Aditya had not told his parents that I am his girlfriend.
मतलब अभी ठीक है ना, उनको मालूम है unofficially सही है, but पता है ना अभी क्यों official फिर बोलने का.
Oh my god.
भाई आदू का तो शादी होने दे फिर.
And at that time guys, we have been dating for 9 years.
तो उससे क्या लेना देना.
तो भी boys are, I'm telling you, boys are so fattu ना. So आदित्य ने तभी भी नहीं बोला, but basically हमारा relationship और भी ज़्यादा solidify और real हो गया because
family में wedding ना.
Wedding, I was a big part of, not a big part, but I was very involved in Adu and May's wedding, got very close to the Nikes. So that's what happened in 2022. 2021, sorry. अब 2022 में क्या हुआ? बताओ आदित्य.
Last year की ही बात है ना. So after Adu May got married, they got married end of December 2021. And then 2022 February, मैंने अभी फाइनली बोला अभी ठीक है, अभी आदू का भी शादी हो गया, अभी क्या ही बचा है, मतलब नेक्स्ट तो नंबर मेरा ही आना है. So
ये भी आदित्य को नहीं बोलना था, मुझे उसको push,
जो भी है,
please. He was not willing to tell his parents at that time
जब
also.
जरूरत आएगा तब देखा जाएगा.
And by the way, it was not because of commitment issues. It was because he's too scared, and his parents are so chill. I don't know why.
नहीं, just क्या क्यों बोल के ऐसा awkward हो जाएगा.
आगे बोल चल.
So basically but अभी 2022 आ गया, so like कि ठीक है अभी I'll tell them. तो मैंने फेब में उनको बता दिया कि ऑफिशियली कि जो भी ये है I'm with मृदुल so many years, ये नहीं XYZ सब बता दिया. They just asked कि does her family know, what are her parents views on this. I said they are also chill, they also know, they are also okay. But okay, no problem, let's just then arrange a meetup of us and all of us on the same page. Let us get let the adults talk and finalize all of this. तो फिर उसके बाद उनका एक मीटिंग हुआ मेरे घर पे, उसके भी फोटोज यहाँ पे कहीं पे पॉप होंगे, क्या बोलो. और उसमें बहुत ज्यादा ऑकवर्ड मोमेंट था वो हमारे लिए बिकॉज फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसा कुछ हो रहा था.
करेक्ट. एंड बाय द वे, बिकॉज ऑफ आदित्य फाइनली टेलिंग हिज पेरेंट्स, वी वर एक्चुअली एबल टू do things more openly, like in terms of we were really able to travel that year. We ended up going on our first ever trip, just us together, to Udaipur.
10 years, huh? 10 years में first trip with only us.
Correct, of course, because we started dating so early also, right?
But even then बीच में couples घर पे झूठ बोलते हैं, sneak मारते हैं, whatever के.
But हाँ, मैं वो बोलूँ, true, मैं वो बोलूँगी कि हमने कभी भी कुछ भी झूठ बोल के कुछ भी नहीं कहा. मेरे पेरेंट्स को तो आपको पता ही है ऑलरेडी कब से, सिंस आई वाज इन 10th स्टैंडर्ड तब से ही पता था मेरे पेरेंट्स को. आदित्य आल्सो नेवर लाइड, लाइक व्हेनेवर
जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ा ना कभी.
करेक्ट. सो व्हाटएवर, वी वेंट टू उदयपुर, वी वेंट टू अंडमान दैट ईयर, वी आल्सो एंडेड अप गोइंग टू Maldives दैट ईयर
for your birthday.
Yeah,
that was like our first international trip also together.
Correct. Also in 2022 another thing that happened was that our families got even closer, because in 2022 my nani actually got detected with cancer, and Aditya really showed up for our family. Like he, right from arranging like ambulances to
basically for everything and anything that she needed, I was there. From the bed लेके आना जाना,
ऑक्सीजन टैंक्स, व्हाटएवर, मतलब वो सब चीज में आदित्य वाज ऑलवेज इन एंड आउट ऑफ द हाउस. सो आई फील लाइक माय पेरेंट्स ऑब्वियसली मतलब और भी ज्यादा फैमिली जैसा वाइब हो गया था बाय दैट पॉइंट. इवन सिमिलरली एट दैट टाइम आई थिंक कशिश यूज्ड टू वर्क विथ मी, सो शी यूज्ड टू कम टू द स्टूडियो अ लॉट. सो वो बहाने कशिश और आदित्य का भी बॉन्डिंग नेक्स्ट लेवल क्लोज हो गया. So like even though it was a very hard year for me, our families got closer. Yeah. Then 2023, which is this year,
which is almost over at this point. Which is
almost over. Yeah, as we speak, the year is almost over. Yeah, I mean 2023 has been.
I think you guys must have seen everything that's happened in 2023.
Yeah.
Very recent है सब कुछ. Our travels, our milestones in the career, everything that we've achieved.
And most importantly, which is why we have this channel in the first place.
Which is why you're watching this video.
Yeah, which is our proposal after 11 and a half years, Aditya.
11 and a half नहीं हुआ था तब तक, थोड़ा सा.
Whatever, 11 plus years, Aditya proposed to me, and we are getting married next year.
कब, क्या, कहाँ, कैसे, वो सब in future vlogs.
Correct, but I feel like finally we've come towards the end of our love story.
Obviously, see, this is an 11 and a half year ka story. It's not practically possible for us to cover each and every aspect of it.
But I think we
did touch a lot, but there are multiple stories in between which obviously we must have missed, which we will recollect sometime down the line, and we will obviously post about them as well. But I think overall, we've covered pretty much everything.
So I think with that, we are going to end today's
very long video.
Very, very long video, but very long awaited video as well.
Yes.
I hope you guys liked our video. I hope you guys liked our story. And finally, we've come to an end.
And don't worry, we have a lot more stories.
Yeah, and we have a lot of things in store for you guys. We have big plans for this channel. So stick around, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already.
Follow us on Instagram at Mridul and Aditya. Follow Mridul. Follow Simba. Follow Skion.
Like this video more importantly, and leave this emoji down below. And that's basically it. We'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.